Crafted from food-grade material, the premium material selection guarantees that your food will not only taste great but also remain uncontaminated by harmful substances. This unique design facilitates a clean and spill-free experience when transferring liquids. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Electric Rice Cooker. Crafted from food-grade double-layered body with non-stick titanium-coated inner pot and plastic outer body, titanium is known for its strength, making the pot resistant to scratches and wear over time. Titanium coating provides a smooth, non-stick surface. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Fine Iron Pan. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for secure, comfortable grip. The iron construction and thick base promote rapid and consistent heating. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Saucepan. Made from cast iron material with enamel-coated surface which enables fast heating and even heat distribution, ideal for cooking meat, dal, vegetable-based curries, biryani, pulao. The ergonomic anti-scalding handle can keep you away from high-temperature burns while giving you a comfortable touch. Easy to hold in one hand, non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe it clean with a sponge or cloth, and you're done. It looks elegant and beautiful for all kitchen settings. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric Grill. Turn the switch to easily adjust the firepower. When you turn the switch, you will hear a small ring that makes it easier for you to assess whether the power is switched on or off. At the same time, the red indicator light is also visible directly to prevent forgetting to turn off the power. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Steam Egg Boiler. Boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a durable stainless steel and high-quality ABS plastic body. With its flat 500-watt heating plate, it guarantees faster boiling and takes up minimal space, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Its rust-free nature adds to its durability. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Egg Pan. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, offers excellent heat retention. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Electric Rice Cooker. Consistently delicious rice and professional-grade quality. Intelligently convenient, designed to cook good meal that is both tasty and healthy for your loved ones is just a few buttons away. Features an energy-saving smart algorithm that automatically detects the grain type and internal temperature and automatic keep warm mode, effectively taking the guesswork out of perfectly cooked rice. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Idli Cooker. Made of high-quality food-grade and heavy-gauge stainless steel. It is also resistant to corrosion. It is compatible with gas stoves. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Saucepan. Induction and gas compatibility, designed to work seamlessly with both induction cooktops and gas stoves. This saucepan offers versatility in terms of cooking methods. It's compact and lightweight yet durable. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Grill Pan. Made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer, it uses less oil while frying. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Sandwich Maker. The grill opens up to 105 degrees for easy sandwich assembly and removal. It features automatic temperature control, a cool touch handle, and a slide-type plate locking mechanism for added safety. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Deep Fryer. You to prepare crisper chips, fries, croquettes, onion rings, fried chicken. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Electric Cooker. With adjustable power settings is the perfect solution for any kitchen. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a beginner cook. With two distinct power levels of 400 with 800 W, you can easily adjust the temperature to suit a wide range of recipes. Whether you are simmering a delicate sauce on low, or boiling pasta on high, this kettle for cooking allows you to easily control the heat. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Saucepan. Made using food-safe stainless steel that is sturdy and durable. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tadka pan. Crafted from food-grade cast iron, this oil heating spoon is a testament to safety and durability. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric Tandoor Griller. Ideal for making juicy tandoori chicken, flavorful paneer tikka, tender chicken tikka, and succulent fish tikka at home. Bake crispy pizza with a perfect crust, make golden grilled sandwiches, flaky samosas, and rich garlic bread. Easy to clean. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Egg Boiler. Automatic shut-off feature ensures that the appliance stops automatically once the eggs are boiled. Egg cooker's transparent cover allows you to keep a watch as to how this offers perfection to the steamed eggs or poach. Compact and easy to store design with ready and on signal to make your life easy. Serve the whole family by cooking up to 6 boiled eggs or 3 poached eggs at a time. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Saucepan. Made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame, enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Pan is great to cook tea, boil milk, roasting spices. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sandwich Maker. Comes with an oil drip collector tray to drain excess butter and oil, and a slope adjust stand for better grilling angles. Deep ribs for extra crispy grilling and easy food release. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric Kettle. Enjoy stir-fry, soup, noodles, and more. Ideal for all your cooking adventures. Choose from 2 levels for precise cooking. Ideal for experts and beginners alike. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Casserole. Make wholesome nutritious healthy dishes including gravies, veg, kofta, palak paneer, noodles, Manchurian, chicken curry and much more. Ergonomically designed soft touch handles and knob provide a firm grip and do not heat up during cooking. Suitable for use on the gas stove, ceramic plate, hob, hot plate, infrared and induction plate. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Sandwich Maker. Comes with 3 interchangeable non-stick cooking plates for making hot, tasty sandwiches, crispy waffles, or grilled meats. We care for your health and time constraints, so we make safe products with practical, time-saving features. Unlike other sandwich makers, a non-stick electric sandwich maker is easy to clean due to its detachable plates. Its detachability prevents the accumulation of germs caused by food buildup, offers safety, stability, and comfort with its cool touch handle and anti-skid feet. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Microwave Rice Cooker. The included rice paddle doubles as a spoon for fluffing and serving cooked rice, eliminating the need for extra utensils. A convenient way to heat or cook soups in the microwave. Product link is given in the 23rd link.